Oh, very nice. It is an annual showcase of Manchester's creative business owners. The Made in Manchester event brings young entrepreneurs together while strengthening business values. We have the event coordinator, and it's Salmon, with us now. Good morning to you. Thank you for being here.
Simone, thank you so much.
This table is very prettily displayed and set up, and all of this is stuff coming out of the expo.
Yes, these are all exhibitors who are going to be at the expo, yes.
All right, tell me a little bit about the catalyst. When did the expo start, and what was the reason for it?
We started in 2016, and it was pretty much to give business owners in the parish, just to highlight them, to celebrate them, and to give them a platform to showcase their products and services.
Women and men?
Well, it started out with women, to be honest, with women for the first 2 years, but it was such a fight with the men.
Why?
Yes, we wanted it to be exclusive, and it's not because we're sexist or anything, but the men insisted that we were wrong to give it such a broad title, because Made in Manchester also includes men. So after a year of fighting and struggling,
Made in Womanchester? Don't know.
Sure, you don't Made in Manchester. Oh my God!
Next year.
Yes. So we're happy to have broadened the scope for them to join us, and we have a lot of men coming in this year. Some of them from construction, from hardware, from solar energy. So widening the net has also made it good, because they were complaining that nothing of this nature happens in Manchester. So why are we leaving them out?
The fact that they wanted to come on board serves to say that you had a really good thing going the first 2 years.
Yes, we had a good 2 years.
And they wanted to be a part of it.
Thank you to the women.
Yes.
The first year, 33 said yes. The
33
women
entrepreneurs
exhibitors,
in
said yes to the first year, not knowing me, not knowing what we were going to do. And for the second year, we had 45 exhibitors.
How many entrepreneurs do you have in Mandeville? Female entrepreneurs?
A lot.
That's fantastic.
A lot. We hosted 200 businesswomen in 2015. That's how I knew that we needed to do something like this.
That's very impressive.
Yeah, because 90% of us did not know each other in that room in 2015.
Wow. Wow.
Yes.
Maybe you need to do a Womanchester version. Gentlemen, we're not fighting you.
The Women's Summit, there's a summit on International Women's Day, because we had to kind of carve out a little part for ourselves, so that's what we're doing for ourselves.
Okay, so you're doing this again on the 4th of March.
On the 4th of March,
All right, talk to me about some of the stuff on the table. Let's
okay,
start, please, with the jewelry.
Yes. Well, here we have Julie's Escape, and Julie has a story behind it. She has a rare disease that has debilitated her, and she's not able to work as normal. She has been a pharmacist for 20 years, and out of the blue, she started doing this. It's a kind of disease that she has to be on steroids every single day just to survive.
Wow.
So even the name of it, Julie's Escape, the jewelry was her way out of the discomfort and just to keep her mind together. Yeah.
Okay, Julie, I think I'm going to buy this piece in support of you. Okay, so all of that is from Julie.
All of here is from Julie. Yes.
All right. Tell me about what else you have.
And then we have Kim Pinnock now. This was discovered her this year. Julie has been with us now for 2 years. Kim Pinnock, would you believe that this is out of paper?
No way. Okay,
this is paper,
let me hold them up.
Paper.
Even like mache?
Something like that, but it's like hardened paper.
Oh, wow.
Her name is Kim Pinnock, and she has that particular thing going, and she sells tons of her stuff.
That is lovely.
Look at this ring.
Yes.
And she also have like the huge bracelet that wraps around your arm.
And it's all paper that
all paper. For the core part of it, that is.
Okay.
Not for the fixtures, but for the core part.
And then we have this little signage.
This is from Signature Products and Awards. They're in Mandeville on Ward Avenue. And this is from somebody by the name of her name gone out of my head, yes. But she actually went into this business because Carvalin went into this business because she thought that people in the workplace were just underappreciated.
Okay.
You know, and there's so many things that you can do to make a worker or an employee or team member feel loved and appreciated.
Body stuff.
This is from Renee Wright. She is a cancer survivor.
Oh.
She has lymphatic cancer. 4 years ago, she walked away from the doctor, determined not to do radiation or chemotherapy. She prayed, went home, came up with her oils and some other things that she used, and she's cured. She cured herself from cancer using her own oils and treatments and stuff. And she's here today as well, so you can speak to her afterwards.
Wooden products.
From here as well, from Signature Products. So all of these are from
fantastic.
her. And of course, your token. She could not make me come here and not give you something for yourself, so that is yours. And she said to me, you know, Neville is in sports, so maybe he'd appreciate a water bottle.
This is lovely.
So he has his water bottle with his name on it.
Look at this.
Yeah, so that's from Carolyn Reynolds.
This
from
is beautiful.
Signature Products and Awards
Very
in
nice.
Mandeville.
Thank you very much.
Cheese. And my name on the back of it too.
Yeah.
So I have a picture
So where
on
my
her
picture is,
name.
please?
Your picture
it
couldn't
was
go on
black, so maybe it wouldn't work on the black.
Thank you very much.
That's lovely.
You're welcome.
And then you have cake designer.
Cakes by Quita. This is an awesome young lady who makes the most delicious and unusual cakes. You see this? Have you ever seen anything like this before?
This is beautiful.
It's awesome.
Very
and with the cupcakes and stuff. So, and these are all women who are doing fantastic, well in business.
But not only that, when you support them, their stories are so amazing.
Yeah, their
that you're helping to change lives. Wow. So when is this happening?
It's on March 4th, Sunday, March 4th at the Mandeville Hotel. And it's free for everybody to come in.
Yeah, because you're coming in to buy. So
we want people to come
yes.
in to buy and to support the business owners and to get to know them.
Yeah.
You see, the thing is that if you're not visible, people can't know where you are.
That's
people
true.
can't know how to reach you.
That's true.
So we're encouraging persons to come out, participate, be an exhibitor. We have a few more spaces left, so that more of the people in Mandeville can get to. It's about marketing.
Why did you want to do this? I'm curious.
Well,
are you exhibiting?
No, but you see, I have an agency, 2020 Strategies. We're a marketing agency. And one of the things that we find, we train business owners across Jamaica, right? And a big challenge or a big deficiency in a lot of business is lack of marketing. Now, this expo is one tool as a business owner that you can use to get the word out, to get your products out and so on.
Exactly.
For example, this is Knox.
Yes.
Knox Community College, they have a CAP group, which is career assessment, not like a path group.
Okay.
And they actually make these.
And they're candles.
They're candles, and they're
shape.
brilliant scented candles. And the same thing for Trudy.
Yeah.
This is a female as
guys,
well.
turmeric
choice.
soap. It's
And
so
of
much
course,
to go down
oil
and
for
see.
your hair.
Okay.
From Minatro.
Look here, it looks like if you want it, it is there because it's got, I see agriculture and landscaping.
Yeah, there's a lot
and
of
this thing.
goat cheese. Have you ever had goat cheese?
Never had
We have this young couple, and they're farmers, and they rear these animals: goat cheese, cow cheese.
Come, put on this from
3 different kind of cheese.
Because I'm going to buy this from Trudy.
Are you
Can I
serious?
get this? Serious.
Oh my God.
All right, so let me give you the details while we put this on. This is, maybe you can take off the tag so them don't have me as off as a new theme.
New name.
Even though I don't care. So look guys, this is at the Mandeville Hotel. It's 10 to 6 on Sunday, March 4, Expo 2018. Startups, agriculture, aquaculture, professional services.
Farmers market, craft market.
Right, art and craft, shoemaking. Yes, shoes are very important. And everything you see on the screen right here.
This is just beautiful. I knew it would have been. I loved it from my side.
Oh, did you?
Absolutely beautiful.
It's beautiful, people? Tell me if
Of course
it's
it is. It's delicious.
Let me see it. Turn it on my wally punch. Oh, this is lovely. Turn it around the nether way so that this
The
part
nether
is
way.
on. Yes. We're not turning around on it so this part is come around here, so. Londa, you gave me the wrapper? Okay, just checking. All right, tell us again. Sunday, March 4th.
Sunday, March 4th.
Mandeville Hotel.
Yes.
And people who want to get booths now
They
can
can
still call
contact
you.
us, 545-3352. But I have to say a big shout out to First Heritage Cooperative Credit Union.
Yes, ma'am.
They came on and funded us in a big way. That is why we have an ad on your TV.
Okay.
First Heritage paid for that.
Thank you, First Heritage.
And Knutsford Express is providing discounted fares to Mandeville.
So if we want to go down and we don't want to
We have lots
drive.
of Kingston people coming down
Excellent.
last year. Even what's her name? Kenya Linton George.
Yes, Kenya.
She
Yes.
drove down with her people and everybody to Mandeville to see what we had.
Fantastic. Good on you, lady.
Yeah,
Good job.
thank you so
Folks,
much.
please go out and support coordinator of Made in Manchester, Annette Salmon, here with us this morning. All right, Idris. Idris is not in the building because the building will be flat. Let me tell you right now, wherever Delia is, she would find herself here like that. Just kidding, folks. But we will hear a few words from him after this. Idris, what are you doing with that? Let me see your back. See your back on that?